You searched how to buy shares of Intuitive Surgical Inc., so this short guide will walk through the process. Intuitive Surgical makes robotic surgical systems and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ISRG, and this video is educational only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro here as the example platform. After registering, you will generally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ISRG to locate Intuitive Surgical. Confirm the company name and ticker match the listing shown. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent movement. Make sure the name and ticker match so you have the correct asset. To invest, click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate. Then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can be completed. After the trade, your ISRG position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro example link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.